Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a follow button on your Facebook page. And for this first we go to our profile left in the top, and then from here tap on the three dots just right here, and then tap on add action button. Then tap on edit buttons, and if you can see, there is no way how we can change or how we can add a follow button on our page. Then from there, if we are shaking our phone, we can report a problem just from here. If you are not available to shake your phone to see this problem, then make sure that you check another video how to turn on the shake option on Facebook. I made also that version. But for now, tap on report a problem, include. Now we made a screenshot, type in what is wrong. I want the follow button on my page, but it's not allowed to do this. Can you guys help me out, please? All right, send this to Facebook and you will receive a message between 24 and 48 hours with how they can fix that for you. I need to tell you something, because there was an update that they removed the follow button and they changed it to the like button, because if you tap on the three dots just right here and then do view as, you will see that we only can like our page. This is what I know. I'm just telling here you the truth. Hopefully you can do something with this, and if it was helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.